goosebumps because that is what we actually saw Tom Hanks do for that precision, that lifelightness, and I cannot wait to take lots of photos of this moment together with everybody. But of course, when you're posting online alerts, we actually saw Tom Hanks and these animations at MTHK. Can we all cheer for Asian Superstar? Ayan, may mga signages and charts na tayo ng light and signs. Green cap. Come on guys, mag-ingay naman tayo dyan.
Asia Superstar.
And friends and supporters who flew from other parts of the world.
Asia Superstar Julio. Kasi naman ayaw labas kang ini. Labas natin Asia Superstar.
Thank you so much for showing your support and friends as well. Diba, dito po si Mao. Sige, abangan. But thank you once again for the all-out support. Very exciting, right? Okay, so of course to say hello to everybody here officially too, we will be hearing of course from the general manager of Gateway Hong Kong Berlin Entertainment. We have none other than Mr. Wei Chan. Let's give him a big mabuhay. Welcome everybody. Hello, mabuhay, Sir Wei. Okay, so here, take the mic first of all. Welcome. Okay, wait. Share our mic here. Oh, we have one more. Okay. So, first up, please say hello, mabuhay to everybody here.
Mabuhay.
Okay, so first up, I understand this is our fifth Filipino wax maker in the Hong Kong, starting off with Pia back in 2019, and now fast forward to 2026, and now it's finally Catherine Bernardo that we will be seeing there. So tell us more about what this means when it comes to our relationship with Hong Kong and the Philippines.
I think everyone knows that Hong Kong and Philippines has the relation has been very strong.
Nailagay ko ba yung akin yan? Ano kaya? Akin ko. Hindi ko nabitawan ko yata yung akin sa CR. Ha? Hindi ko makita eh. Wala rin sa pagmulta. Wala. Eh wala, makakalimutin ako kaya lagi may kasama. Hirap ko sa CR.
Many Filipinos working in Hong Kong. So
Marami naman akong wives, marami akong issues. Kaya lang yung bag ko, nabibitawan ko. Saan mo?
sports,
Bagal-bagal. Mahanapan ko lang siya.
Okay, I love it. So I want to know the selection process behind why Catherine. What was the decision-making process like when you were like, when you had that aha moment, I think now is the perfect time to have Catherine Bernardo.
Hello, Lisha. Gatsalyan.
That's one of the reasons. It's such a treat to do a video launch in Philippines because of the love and support from fans and from everyone. And then we understand that having this well celebrity.
Hello, Yan Kalis. Hello, Jeanette Agura. We love Catherine.
So yeah, that's the reason why we want to continue.
Hanggat kaya ng ano ko ng battery ko.
Okay, very exciting. And this has been in the making for
Ipadyak kasi
how long now?
A year.
A year.
Tiyagaan nyo na.
Wow, okay.
Mary Jane Ispares, Lorio, hello. Thank you.
Okay, I love that, and we can't wait to see it up close, right behind this red curtain. But I guess safe to say, I think our Filipino icons and personalities are becoming a staple in Majaku Sauce Hong Kong, right?
Exactly.
Okay, so safe to say we're gonna have a new icon in the next few years, maybe?
Do you have any
Do
suggestions?
you have any suggestions, guys? Okay. You're pinpointing at each other. I think, Mommy Min.
Ano sila direct ano?
Perfect, diba? Mother and daughter duo.
Malikot yung phone ko.
So thank you so much once again.
Pasensya na kayo.
A big hand for Mr. Richard.
Namamanhid kasi kamay ko. Yung mga ugat ko kasi mga maga.
Okay, so we will be seeing more of Sir Wayne.
Hindi siya, gusto ko lang ma-share sa inyo kaya nag-live tayo.
Enjoying the rest of our guests. We're so
Jeanette
excited for
Abura,
sharing to see our woman of the hour, right? But right before that, to excite us even more, we actually have a short video to show. This is basically the sitting process or the sitting video. Yung tinatawag natin ng abortion. Diba? Kasi ginagaya na nila yung likeness ng very exciting. This is how we will see how they make sure that the exact measurements are taken, diba? Her likeness and the position that it takes to create this lifelike wax figure. So, ladies and gentlemen, please watch this.
Dito hindi umilaw yung cake. Oo, hindi na, meron naman dito. Dapat ginaganon-ganon. Ayun, meron yan eh. Body shape. Pag pinili. Kasi yung napunta sa akin, yung pa isa yung nabasa.
It's so much gratitude. It's like a gift that I never thought I'd receive. Thank you so much for allowing me and letting me experience it. Like a representation of my body of work, my journey, how it started, and the people behind it who helped me get to this moment. I'm not familiar with how it works on my feeling, yeah, but this time I was sculpting all the measurements and kung gaano meticulous sila sa details, sa color, every strand for eyebrows and hair. It's different from the prosthetics that I've experienced before. I feel very privileged, you know, that I got to experience that, and I was really mga kababayan natin, it's something na matutuwa sila kapag nagkaroon something that will give them, you know, a piece of Manila or Philippines sa Hong Kong. Maybe a reminder too of hard work and perseverance, a reminder of just believing in yourself. Today is such a special day for me. Thank you to all of my supporters. This is me finally sharing the good news to all of you. You know, this wax figure isn't just mine, it's ours. So I'm so proud to represent us in Madame Tussauds Hong Kong. This is truly a dream come true for me to be immortalized in wax in a city that's so close to my heart. See you very, very soon at Madame Tussauds Hong Kong.
There we go, and I believe we are about to ready to meet her in the flesh right now. Yes, guys, ngayon na talaga ang panahon para mag-ingay. Let's go! Let's cheer for the one and only Ages Superstar. Let's all welcome to the stage, Miss Catherine Bernardo. Welcome, welcome. Congratulations, Catherine. Here you go. Here's your mic. Hi, Janita. Good afternoon. So excited to see you. And of course, dito pa, diba? So launching and unveiling of your wax figure. Good afternoon, everyone. All the fans who came, of course, my family is here, some friends. Oh my God, a lot of friends. A lot. You're all here. Well, thank you so much for making time. Yes, I'm so excited for today. Finally, we'll be able to see my twin in a bit.
Oo nga, half twin. Yan ang
Twin, yes.
Yan kayong nickname for now, unofficial. But yes, you know, we are so excited. As you can see, all-out support tayo dito for you.
Thank you so much.
You know, parang feel namin, ano rin eh, success din namin ito. Di ba? Success na naman ang Pilipinas. Di ba? Alright, so oo, tama. So first up, Catherine, I'd like to know how you're feeling right now. In this moment, take it all in. Go ahead, core memory to.
Kind of a picture sa mind ko.
So, what do you feel right now that we are about to finally unveil your wax figure right behind us? As in, ito na yung moment na inaabangan natin.
We waited for like a year. When we did all the measurements and everything you saw sa video, it was August of 2025. And then, ang bilis, I was just so busy the past months. And actually, nakalimutan ko lang na this week, i-launch na.
Ang bilis.
Yung wax figure. I'm like, oh my God, it's done. It's been a year already. And a while ago, I got to see
see it. I got to meet my twin. And oh my gosh, they are amazing. The team behind Madame Tussauds on the artist. I'm just happy. Masaya talaga ako. And today I was really, really grateful. And I don't know what to feel. I was really happy because all my friends are here. And it's been a busy, busy month for me. And this is like very rewarding that, you know, all the hard work people, it really pays off. And this wax figure is just one of them.
I love that. Okay, but now take us back to the moment naman when you first received the call or that email saying that Miss Prim Bernardo officially, yeah, this is not a prank, this is actually happening.
Actually, it wasn't a call. It was a message from Mama. Was it your Mama? Oh, yes, from my mom. She sent like a deck, I think. And I'm like, oh, Madame Tussauds. I used to go to Madame
Yes.
Tussauds. Like my family, my papa and I, we went to Madame Tussauds in LA. So I'm a fan of Madame Tussauds. I'm like, what's this? And then I was like, browse through the deck I sent. I'm like, what? Me? Why me? That was my reaction. Why me? And then, hindi ba yung nag-sink in? Parang, okay. So, the team were discussing na ano yung magiging look, ano yung gusto natin hair na makeup. Hindi pa rin na nag-sink in until I did the measurements. And I spent parang half of my day there. I met the team from the UK. And then they measured everything so meticulously. So,
Mangangawit kayo. Baba mo na.
oh my God, it's really
Baba
happening.
niyo muna.
Nangawit
na kayo,
So,
nakita naman.
Suri, it's like a full circle moment.
Ibaba niyo na muna.
Until today, I couldn't believe it. So, I'm just happy that I get to share this moment with everyone and with my family.
Aww, grabe na all very, very humble. Kaya na talaga nabe-bless eh. So, thank you so much for sharing that. Parang like a throwback vibes tayo. I'm very slight.
Yeah.
Okay, so from turista, now you are the main attraction. Literally. Labon. Sure. And has such a big part, right? So I know you bring like a film here too, right? So tell us more about your affinity with the place, the location, Hong Kong. Kung saan titira ang iyong twin.
Yes, Joy will be there in Hong Kong very, very soon. Hong Kong will always have a special place in my heart. We shot Hello Love, Goodbye there, and that project made a big, big impact in my career. We created Joy there. I have so many memories there. We stayed there for like a month to shoot the movie. And then, the rest is history. So Hong Kong is just, aside of course, we have all our kababayans in Hong Kong, a lot of old families. I think it's just the perfect place to put my tattoo in there. Kasi, you know, they don't get to go home naman, diba? So at least we bring a piece of parang Philippines there, and I hope I'll be able to bring smiles sa mga hindi nakakawihan ng kababayans, and of course all the tourists who will visit there, also another parang Filipino na mapapasama. I think I'm the fifth alongside with these icons, Manny Pacquiao, Pia, and everyone else. So sana they create a lot of good memories, and sana looking at the wax figure, especially for the fans, it's a nice moment, you know, just to take a pause and just para balikan yung journey na
Tama.
pinagdaanan namin to get to this moment.
I love
So maybe kanina I was just a bit emotional, medyo naging sentimental and all, because looking at it, you know, it wasn't an easy ride. People get to see just all the Catherine on cam and all, but in order for this to be possible, the fans made it possible. It was a lot of hard work, a lot of challenges, and a lot. So, maganda lang siyang gift for the fans. Actually, this is not my milestone. It's our milestone because this wouldn't be possible if not for them.
Oh, come on, let's cheer everybody.
So this is for you guys, most especially for the fans.
I love that.
Yeah.
It is a win for us all. So thank you for this win, Pat. Okay, but yes, you mentioned about Hong Kong. Baka may mga, ano ka naman dyan, Brad Goes, when it comes to like,
Brad Goes?
Oo, meron ba? Top of your mind, shopping, dining?
Sa Hong Kong, you know when I was there, wala akong time mag-shop.
Puro trabaho.
Puro trabaho. But of course, for shopping, Hong Kong,
Yeah.
it's so easy to go there. Parang ilang hours lang nandun na tayo. So, for shopping, everything is in Hong Kong.
Yes.
And now, you have a reason to go there because Joy will be there with you
Yes.
guys forever. Joy will be home. And I'm just glad that it's in Hong Kong.
Okay, and you did mention that you are alongside these iconic Filipino stars. Ano yung pakiramdam? Diba? I mean, that's like with Pia, Catriona, Manny, and also Anne. So, diba ang pakiramdam mo ng Pinoy Pride? Can you share that Pinoy Pride moment?
Yes, it feels. I'm just very humbled to be there alongside with these icons na. Of course, Manny Pacquiao is there. Nakatawa sa iba-ibang field kami. So, we have Manny Pacquiao, we have Pia and Catriona, of course, we have Miss Lea Salonga, we have Miss Anne Curtis, and now, I think I'm the youngest.
Oh, I love
I'm the youngest. So, nakakatuwa. And it's for you to experience. I don't want to preempt that naman.
And you are such an inspiring, iconic figure to our youth today. So thank you for that. And last na,
Hello,
before we
Nisha
finally say
Gatchalian.
hello to your
Sa inyo
couple,
natin yung may nare-rep
gusto
ka
mong
yan.
impression na
Busy
first
ako.
na ma-feel yung mga titingin or makaka-say hello sa iyong wax figure. What is that impression you wish?
Maria Ed, kumusta na?
Rolling on my first reaction. So you'll see it. So now I want
Jen Lau.
your reaction. Once you see it. So you enjoy. Let's show it now.
I guess kanya-kanya reaction yan. Kanya drama. So,
Maricon
guys,
Valdez, Ate
are you ready naman
Maricon?
tayo mag-react? Yes! Okay, but before that, we'd like to invite up here on stage once again, Sir Wade Chang, to help us with the unveiling moment. And we also actually have a gesture of appreciation for you, Kat, from the Madame Tussauds Hong Kong team. So just a simple token of appreciation. Okay, careful. Oh, it's okay. This, itong stairs na to, last day na. Okay, so here we have, ta-da!
Wow! Mr. Wade! Wow!
Yeah. Welcome you to the big family.
Thank you!
That's so sweet. Okay, let's see.
Bitawan mo yung ganyan.
You may hold it. Where's the, okay.
Bet, ano laman ng ganyan? Nabitawan ko yung akin, hindi mo mag-clear niya. Sabay.
Okay, maybe you can say at the center.
Hindi ko alam kung saan yun. Nung mag-CR ako, bit-bit ko paglabas
Okay,
eh.
and smile. Here we go. And let's move the gift for a while for the unveiling moment. Okay, guys, are we ready? Okay, not yet, okay, not yet. We will count down.
Yan na.
Mamaya na. Okay,
Ito na. Yan na.
Okay, para sure. Okay.
Lalabas na
Ladies and
ang kanyang
gentlemen, are
queen.
we ready? Let's make some noise, everybody! Again, let's officially say hello to the wax figure
Wax
of
figure.
Mercury Bernardo in 3, 2, 1!
Kamukhang kamukha. Kaya pala ganun damit. Oh. Wow, carbon copy.
Say hello, Kat, to your cat twin!
Oh yeah! There you go.
She's speechless.
Ayan.
Guys, wow, nakakapila
This is it. We waited so long for this, and later let's discuss how we came up with this look and everything. So this is it. This is my Catherine, everyone. This is her first stop, and then she'll fly to Hong Kong right after this.
Yes, I love it.
Enjoy it now.
she is going to be here with us because of Pilipinas. So until March 1st. And then she will be shipped to Hong Kong. And she will be there this July 17 onwards. So guys, magpalakpakan po tayo lahat. Let's all cheer for this historic moment and milestone event for all of us here. Congratulations, Pat. Let's take a moment again. Wow, look at that. Even like the skin tone, the skin texture, the eyes, the eyelashes.
Even my piercings.
Oh, actually, it's the same on here.
Yeah. My nails.
Your nails. Wow. Okay, so anything to say, Sir Wade?
Just want to see everyone in Hong Kong.
See you in Hong Kong. Okay, so right now we're going to take a few photos with this moment. You want to pose like her, Kat? I'll get your mic for now. Sige. So let's have that side-by-side photo with the same expression and smile as precise as we can be. There we go. Goosebumps, right? So thank you once again to everybody for sharing the love with us here. Thank you for the great energy. So exciting, right? So again, to everybody posting, please use our hashtag #CorinShines at MTHK and tag us at Madame Tussauds Hong Kong. How about a wave down back? It's a video. Let's wave. There we go. Okay, so Kat, now I just have a few questions for you. Now, after seeing it again, okay, I'll get her mic again.
Nasa Mindoro ka pala, Lisa. Sayang. May pasok
So
nga yung iba.
now we have unveiled her nicely. So now that you've seen her again,
Oh, Ate Maricon.
ano ang reaction mo? Ano ang
Thank you,
official
Lagi kang
statement?
tumutulong.
After seeing her again.
You know, kanina, I didn't know where to look
Si Anja
first.
Relivo,
So many details
hello.
happening,
Thank
diba?
you.
So
Girlie
even my
Galon.
baby hairs,
Yes.
from my facial features, down
Mary
to the
Jane
pose.
Espalas, hello.
I'm like,
Kyla
oh my
De Diosa.
gosh, my polish, and
Wow,
I'm just happy
Concepcion
because
Ancheta,
this
watching
is
from
how I
Spain.
want to present myself.
Wow.
So I like,
Yan, mga
first
kababayan
we chose this
natin.
gown. Actually, my team chose it because
Sana okay kayo lagi.
this look is
Kami
from
dito,
my
okay naman,
special,
kahit na medyo
special
mahirap.
milestone.
We have to get a
Warrior Season Award in
Jenelisa
Korea
Maso.
2023.
Okay.
Yung wax
very
figure ni
important also,
Catherine,
but,
ni-launch ngayon
I
dito
think
sa
it's very
Glorieta.
classic, very timeless,
Open sa public na yung 4 p.m. hanggang 9
hopefully it'll take a
p.m.
lot of
Pwede
memories
kayong
together.
kapicture.
Wow, I love that. So
Sa
this
wax
is the
niya,
look
then
and I
ililipat
think
sa
it's
Hong Kong
really
ay
amazing that she's in
ewan ko
white.
kung
Very
In-announce
pristine,
kanina,
very
nalimutan
great,
ko.
and very elegant.
And I think it's easy to, diba? Pose
Girlie
around
Galon. Hindi puputulin hanggat kaya ng ano.
So,
Kahit-
this gown naman,
kahit di lima nanonood.
Exactly
Puputulin para at least kasama kayo.
Martin Bautista.
Kayo ang naalala ko
And then
eh.
kanina we checked back like the blush on,
Si Anda Relivo,
lipstick.
Jeanette
It's
Agura.
the same.
Wow.
So,
Sen Chamsin Reyes.
Kilabutan nga ako.
Yes.
But yung lower lashes mo.
Oh, sige.
Right? But yung eyebrows.
Sen, minsan sama ka sa amin
Even like
para
the
makita mo
shape
siya.
of the hair, no?
Concepcion
yes, it's really worth the wait because I'm like, wow, it's really taking
Nakita mo na siguro si Catherine. Kasi siya na pangit yung camera ko
Pulse
eh.
the ears stand. I can see it here.
Yung ano ko, cellphone. Ipadyak pa kaya. Pagyaga na yung camera.
Exactly like half the
Bidela,
For you naman, Kat, what does this mean as a career milestone?
Gloria
It
Morales.
just reminds me na every
Malu
win,
Pagalawan.
every milestone like has a story, and this milestone, it's
Hello,
nice
Pilar
to
Lindino
remind
sa
people,
Sorsogon.
especially my fans, that
Lisa
they are
Leslie,
all part of
Fidela
this.
Labapis,
They made
Paul.
today possible.
Thank you at love
They
you si
believed in
Catherine,
me.
ha? Basta
I'm just so
napunta dyan si
grateful because I
Catherine,
get to
supportan
do
nyo.
the thing I love the most, which is acting, and
Yung
people
kanyang
continue
Someone
to
Someday,
believe in me,
July 24
my
sa
craft, and
Netflix,
everything I do. So,
25 sa
so
iWant.
thank you for that.
Download na
I
kayo
love
ng
that.
app.
And for you naman,
27 sa TV,
naisip
TV5,
na who can join you after
Or
Miss
TV2.
Catherine's Cat Twin, diba? After your Cat Twin, sino kaya ang next?
I think marami. Simulan natin kay Ate Madge. I think there are a lot of talented
Chato.
Filipinos who deserve to
Lorena
be in
Migala.
the results as well. I think we can
nanonood
give
si
you a
Sandy.
list to rate who to consider next, but hopefully
Thank
this
you,
won't be the
Sandy.
last.
Thank you, Sandy.
Marami pang pwede i-offer in
Hindi ko
Philippines, not just
puputulin
in the
ang kaya
Philippines,
ng
but also
battery.
globally.
Yes.
So I hope this
Right,
will open
Pang
doors to that. And again, thank you for
Junior
considering
B.
us.
Alay.
Oh, yeah, that's so sweet and always so humble. So thank you for that. But Kat, we want to know,
Sandy.
actually we have a question here from the floor too. What
Raquel
is the next big milestone that
Si
you want to
Raquel, ano?
achieve? Parang
Raquel.
naabot na yata lahat, pero meron pa ba? Go ahead, maybe you can share.
Milestone, you know, I have a lot of goals, but what I learned siguro, especially last year, is that I need to
Alam niyo,
savor
namamahad na eh.
everything and just to
Ang gulo-gulo ng camera ko.
enjoy it. I don't wanna
Manhid na
rush
manhid na yung
anything.
aking
Yes, I have
kamay.
a lot of goals, but sometimes we're
Okay,
so
magkalala,
focused
kahit
in the
na
future, we
mag-igat
don't
kami.
get to appreciate the present
Magkagaan ko,
anymore.
sure for you.
So with everything that's happening now, I have a serie coming this July, and then after that, so many exciting things. So I just want to be happy,
Christian Angela.
live a good and balanced life more than anything. And of course, I want to inspire more Filipinos out there, especially the younger ones, that you can dream big and it will happen if you put a lot of hard work.
Yes. So, love that.
Raquel
Well said.
Pantoja.
And a reminder yan for all of us. Kasi syempre, we keep wanting to chase the next big thing, but honestly, you gotta just, again, live in the present and just enjoy what you have, diba? Kasi not every moment is fleeting, diba?
Yeah, like today, I'm just like savoring everything
Savor
that's
it.
happening now.
Sabi nga ni Kat Twin mo, stop and smell the roses. Sabi niya, stop and appreciate me. And appreciate the
Chill,
roses.
sabi niya,
Sabi niya,
chill.
kumalma ka lang.
Kumalma ka.
Diba?
Oh, Malawi, Shalom.
Okay, so I'm sure all of us cannot wait to take
Roda
photos with
Soriana,
Kat and
Pagkapa.
Kat Twin officially. So another big warm round of applause once again for this moment. Shall we take a few more
Shout out to
photos?
your sino ba sister mo? Si Catherine?
And I believe we are going to do our photos in batches.
Ah, from Davao pala si
We'll make sure that
Raquel.
it is in an orderly manner.
Linyan
We'll do a
Lubulas,
silent Q&A
Laguna, si
Q&A,
Oli.
starting off with our VIPs, friends and fans.
Maria
We'll
Corazon.
take a photo first with
Ay, ito
Sir
yung
Wade,
Corazon.
of course.
Ate Corazon, ikaw ba yan? Yung kaibigan natin? Oh, enjoy ka ba? Carolina Alonso. Yes, deserve ni Catherine yan. Lahat ng blessings niya, deserve niya. Pinagpagmura niya lahat yan. There's no easy way. Hard work, respect, lahat.
So we are going to do it in batches once
Kanyang lahat
again.
yan. Oo, pasensya ka na, magulo yung video. Eh, kasi namamanhid na yung kamay ko eh, pinagtitiyagaan ko lang. Saka yung phone ko, luma, di padyak to, kaya buti siya wala, di ba? Thank you.
Okay, so now we're going to do it in batches. Another one, one more time.
Carolina Malonzo. Oo, sige.
So we're gonna
Ano yan?
time shots, shots.
Baka mawala. Ilagay mo din sa pako. Ilagay mo sa pako.
So to everybody, for the passers-by na nakarating lang and they're like, what's happening? Actually, you guys can also see our
Edis
caption up
Prieto,
close later on.
Paps.
We will be opening this area to the public.
Yan, Elisa
so,
Maso,
again, invite
thank
sa
you.
mga other friends natin na gusto kumabot. They can actually
Wilma
come
Romo.
over in just a while.
Yes,
but make
talaga,
sure
iba
that
si
we
Catherine.
line up in an orderly manner too.
Natatangi.
So up until long hours, this
Enya Barbs,
entire
thank you.
event, this setup is
Corazon,
gonna be
Ate
here
Corazon
up
Venus
until
Cedillo,
this
ikaw yan.
evening.
Iba yung Corazon Kangina, Maria Corazon Kangina, iba yun.
Officially in the Tap to
Wow,
Suns
buti naman,
on
yes, number one.
July 17. Yes. Isipin mo na lahat ng
Basta ka,
posts.
kasama ko sila Ate B.
Ano pa ba?
Eh,
Pero papalipin daw niya.
kasama natin. Jane Mejia,
Cute. So cute.
Caroline
So guys,
Esto,
mag-isip kami ng
Maylin
poses ha?
Villar,
Gagawin with Cap Twin.
Book Senina, LJ Coloma. Thank you. Corazon Venus, Cedillo, Suki. Sama naman kayo sa amin minsan, LJ, saka yung mga ibang nandito. Pag may event si Catherine at may isla.
Okay, so we are going
Rex
to do
Calamba,
the
thank you.
photo opportunity.
Erwin Dalia,
for the batches.
Gayrama,
Once again,
thank you.
Can we just make some
Concepcion
space
Luceta,
for
kanina nabati na.
our guests?
Charlene Mendoza, Robert. Yes, so
Thank you so much.
pretty.
Just to make sure we have enough space.
Erwin Dalia, Gayrama.
Everybody, don't worry, everybody
Machenzo
can have their
Feli.
moment.
Congrats
and we
ka.
will
Ayan si
take
Daddy,
time
oh.
to have a photo with Pam. Family first, of course.
Enra Barbs. Thank you sa suporta nyo. Pinagyaman nyo yung aking. Ayan, si Maha, naka-spaghetti. Paakit sila sa stage. Si Lexine, dalaga na. Si Ate Tin, si Kia, si Q. Wow. The pretty family. The pretty and handsome family.
Oh, hold on sila naman.
Ay, si Lexine, dalaga na. Si Ate Tin, ang ganda. Si Baby Q, natatakpan. Post close-up mo si Baby Q, yung bata.
Okay, one
Ang
more
cute.
pose. Wacky. Okay, wacky pose. Looking at the wax
Jenny
figure.
Lynn
Look at the
Ila,
wax
Domingo
figure.
Chato,
Wow!
Delia Manuel, Sheila May. Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you very
pinagtyagaan niyo yung
much.
video kung magulo.
Up next. So we like to invite our ABS-CBN executives. Please join us up here on
Raquel
stage.
Pantoja. Oh. Madge Melin.
Also, Star Magic Fam. Pwedeng sabay na rin po. Yes. Also,
Si Chris
Dreams
Gasman.
family. Please join us.
Ah, si Tito, si Carlo, Sir Carlo Katigba. Si Mami Min. Sino yung ibang bisita sa likod eh? Nasa likod kami ng bisita eh. Hindi ko makita ko na sino. Mamaya, tingnan natin, haharap yan. Tita Cory. Sino yung kausap ni Catherine na nakabay? Brown. Si Derek Oli ba yun? Oo. Ha? Ah, pakita tayo kay Derek Oli. Derek Oli.
Oh, okay.
Sino
Your
Oli?
extra daw, pati daw yung twinkle sa eyes ni Miss Kat.
Pakita tayo kay Derek Oli. Mag-hello tayo mamaya. Ah. Yun. Ako po. Namamanhid na pati binti ko. Dahil sa video. Hindi ko mahinto dahil may yung mga malalayo gustong makakita. Pasensya na,
Of
pangit
course,
ko.
Direct Lawrence Lovey is in the
Ay, si
house
Miko.
too.
Si Miko nagbibideo dahil siya yun.
Thank you so much for joining us. We have Miss Cory Gonzalez.
Si Direk
And we have
Olive,
Sir Oleg
Sir Carl,
Lamasa. Thank you so much for joining us.
executive ng ABS, si
We have Sir Chris Gasman. Thank you so much for joining us as well. We have
Direk Chad Bitane, si Chris Gasman.
And syempre, basically, this is our ABS Dreamscape Star Cinema family. Maraming salamat po. Mag-cheer naman tayo, guys. Ang ating mga iconic, well-loved movies and shows dahil sa team na ito, guys. Let's give it up for them, everybody. Thank you so much. This is a win for them too, diba? Again, from tourist na mood, ito, the main attraction, ang kanilang alaga.
Wow.
I love it. Congrats, Kat.
Si Kyle,
Of course, Mama.
si Kyle,
But that's number 2 dyan. Sure. Okay, thank you so much.
Uy, mag-hello tayo kay Direk Olive, Mami, at kay Direk Loren. Saka doon kila Miko. Sir Carlo, si Tita Cory. Si Chris Gasman, oh.
Okay, sino ang ano na? Let's ask for reaction.
lumipat ka doon sa gilid doon, no? Para makuha mong harapan yung kanilang mga nakayakap.
We have Tito Teddy here, Katsa. Tito Teddy, kamusta po yung experience? Ano po yung masasabi ng
Kasama
reaction?
siya. Si Direk Cha.
Yeah, first, very grateful. Thank you for Madam Satsong for selecting Cats for being one of the iconic celebrities to be included in her museum. On behalf of the family, that's all. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat, Tito Teddy. I'm sure super proud daddy moment, di ba? And actually, this is also in partnership with Clue. You can scan the QR code here to get the best deals from today too.
Sino yung...
And let this be your sign to book that flight to Hong Kong.
Yung din ko. Sino? Flight yan. Hindi ko
We have Miss
marinig.
Daniel in the house.
Pa-flight niya agad after this.
Ha?
Yung video, pa-flight niya after this sa hotel.
Oo, ipa-flight ka. Kailan? Mamayang gabi. Yung open pa sa public 4 to 9.
Ayun ang may free clock.
Sino kayong kausap ni Catherine ngayon? Ayan o. Bet, ikaw na daw kasunod.
No, because actually we also have
Ikaw
some
na kasunod.
fans here who won the meet and greet moment. So ayun na sila. Congratulations. And later on, we will
Hi.
also be having a moment of forgiveness.
Anak ni Tita Chi.
Friends
Yun, oh.
from the press and media.
Anak ni Tita Chi, tsaka
thank
yung
you so
asawa ni
much.
Tita Chi.
Everyone will get their moment. Their chance sa photo of that with Captain Catherine.
Yung lalaki, tsaka yung babae.
Now we have the Hong Kong Tourism Board joining us. Thank you so much as well for all of your support.
Julian Alorfe.
Hong Kong, ang unang destination usually, di ba? Or yung
Ana Awahid Faga, Salima.
May bagong makita, di ba, Hong Kong?
Luz Bena Rodriguez, hello. Yes, maganda ang wax figure. Ililipad sa Hong Kong. Pagpunta niyong Hong Kong, daan kayo doon. Nasa museum doon. May entrance doon. Maraming... Hindi si Direk May. Naka-black. Hindi. Congrats. Thank you sa inyong lahat, ha. Luz Bena Rodriguez. Si Coronel. Ming Bilongria. Thank you.
Okay, to the rest who
Corazon,
haven't
okay
gone
na
up
ba
yet.
yan?
Mag-ready na kayo ng pose. Mami, Bish, kamusta naman po ang reaction natin? Thank you, thank you. Naiyak na! Ayan na naiyak na si Mother! Tita, okay lang po yan. Wag po kayong mag-hide. Gusto po namin makita. Sabay ganun. Kasi, diba, syempre, this is your moment too, Tita. May share pa po ba kayo? Ano po ba kayo? Ano po yung first reaction niyo? Kasi kayo po pala yung nag-receive ng deck. Kayo po pala yung unang nakatanggap at nakaalam. So, bring us back to that moment mo. Ano po yung feeling ninyo as a mother? Nakita niyo, si Catherine, you raised her, diba? Not just as a star that she is today, but as your
Boss, pumunta ka kaya sa gilid doon para naka-front view. Nako, patapos na nung maisip. Sayang.
Last quarter of 2021.
Bawal kasi nilabang kayo.
But became my
my best friend told me that Katrina is considered as one of the Pilipinas. That was 2024. Then 2025, hindi namin na napapag-usapan. Kasi naisip ko, siguro hindi naman ako. Then, yung friend ko, namatay na siya. Yeah.
Sir,
Really?
solid. Loyalist nyo pa rin.
Yung time na nakasipa ko ng phone, si Katrina yung nabigil. Tumagaan ako dun sa Loyola. Sa tawag na saan siya naka-wait. Yun, doon ko nalaman. Well, siguro, isa na siya sa angel sa taas. Siguro sinabi niya, boy, si Katrina. Yun.
Naiyak si
Wala bang
Mami.
emotional, emotional ng moment na yun?
Pero hindi.
Anak niya yun?
Bidela lang
Moment
po.
na yun. So may time na akala niya po pala na hindi matutuloy. At ngayon tuloy na tita. Ito na po siya. Congratulations po tita. Ano naman po masasabi niyo sa Cast Twin? Kamusta po? Happy naman po kayo?
Well, kapag-kamukha naman niya. And also, thank you to Madam Tussauds Hong Kong for considering my daughter. Napaka-swerte. It's another milestone for
Oh, si
her.
Direk Olive.
To look
Baka
at
nakaraan.
her. And also,
Ah, malis na? Diyan? Sa dulo?
sa mga fans and sa mga fans and also nakapa-Pilipino na at least isa na naman na Pilipino.
Sayang, hindi tayo
Sa Hong Kong.
Umuwi na si Direk Olive at saka si...
Congrats po kay Tita Mel. Guys, can you cheer for Tita Mel, Mommy Mel? Thank you so much po yung tuloy si Mother. Enjoy niyo po the moment. Love it. Thank you po. And syempre, itong relatives po natin.
Video mo.
Friends, and children, lahat. Support and show love.
Ay, talong, thank you.
This is all our win. Success natin ng media.
Ang tagal natin dito. Hindi ka ma-video. Ayan na, okay na. Teka, pasensya na kayo, ha? Nakalive pa naman. Hindi ko na-video si Direk Olive. Eh, kasi nag-hello kami, pasensya na. Pasensya na kayo, ha? Aalis na sila eh.
Inviting some friends from the media for our photo op and
Dulce
our
de Leon,
photo op
Sky Yan.
up here.
Occidental Mindoro, Mayugam, LJ Coloma, Tenra. Oh, nabati ko na kay Pangina. Yung iba yata, hindi. Pasensya na, ha? Kasi ko.
Okay, now our friends from the media, please make your way up the stage.
Pwede pa ang kasama
Gift check
pa.
ulit.
Hindi baka kasama pa.
May gift check na naman. Si Mami hanggang ngayon, emotional. Madalang kasing mangyari yan sa isang celebrity. Kaya siyempre, natural, di ba? Maiyak ka sa laki ng pinagdaanan ni Catherine. Sa journey niya. Talaga naman. Ay, si Tita Lulu, oh. Hindi ko nakilala. Ito na, pinagkakaguluhan na sa stage mga media. Meet and greet pa dyan sa stage. Yung mga nanalo sa ano. Oo, ito si Mami, oh. Si Mami, baka aalis na sila or kakain or what. Tanong mo nga. Tanong mo kung uli na sila. Wow, si Mami. Ganda-ganda. Kahit ni Chanda Romero eh. Kaya nagustuhan ni Daddy yan eh. Oh, crush na crush ni Daddy nung araw. Sikat na sikat si Chanda Romero. Chanda Romero nga ba? Oo, parang gano'n.
Oo, kaya nga Chandria.
Oo, Chandria. Kaya Chandria ang pangalan. Wow. Ano? The Superstar Queen Mother. Queen Mother Superstar. Teka, ibalik natin camera kay Catherine. Nasaan si Catherine? Nasa stage. Sa pinagkakagulan ng press eh. Ayan nyo na muna. Oh. Ayun, oh. Ayan ang buhok ni Beth. Kakagulo ng press, mamaya na lang ulit. May meet and greet siya doon sa mga winners. Kaya balik tayo kay Mami. Thank you, thank you. Ims Kasim. Wow, idol mo pala si Catherine. Ay, bigyan. Hingi mo ako, Bet. Bet, hingi mo ako. Ay, si Salve, hingi mo. Saka si Tita Ana. Bet, di ba ako hiningi?
Wala eh, di ba ano nakakuha?
Wala na? Ano daw ba yon? May giveaway na pinamigay. Ano yun? Nasa stage pa ba si Catherine? O, kausap ng mga media, ha? Wala mo ako. Hingi mo ako? Wala ako.
Wala mo po siya.
Wala ako. O, si Ate Ana, binigyan mo?
Walang binigay ate mo. Isa lang binigay. Eh, pala eh. Ayaw ako bigyan.
Yan si Mami. Teka, si Catherine, ayun yung mga, sino ba yung nasa stage, mga media ba yun? O mga bisita iba, no? Sige, malapit ng ano, matapos siya doon. Pero, after niyan, yung mga winners, meet and greet.
Ate lang tayo daw.
Ayun na ba yung mga winners?
Sama si Bing.
Ha? Kasama sila? Ha? Kasama sa meet and greet?
Oo.
Gusto, di mo lang tayo niyaya. Ayan na.
Galing ko to.
Alam ko na nga ba gagawin eh. Plano pala nila sumama. Di sana yung niyaya at kapit kahit ako hindi na.
Kahit talong doon.
Ikaw, sana sumama ka doon. Sumunod ka, bilis. Winner ka rin ka.
Hindi, lahat to. Pero,
Ha?
row by row.
Sabi ba?
Oo.
O, tayo pala, tayo.
Ito na.
Tayo na raw.
Ito tayo dito. Pwede ba itong dalhin?
Ay, dadalhin ko yung bag ko. Oo, dalhin mo yung hawakan mo. Halika, dalhin niyo. Akan sila ate, ano? Oy, halika tayo na susunod. Oy, naku po, Diyos ko. Tayo na susunod. Ay, ikaw, Angelica? Teka, sandali. Tinatawag na kami. Ate, ano, tayo na susunod. Pasensya na. Eh, matatanaw mo lang naman talaga. Bawal sumasok yung pag wala din yung pangalan eh. Ando na yun. May listahan eh. Kuya, no? Sana doon ka nag-abang. Dapat, ayun. Kitang-kita siya. Doon, kitang-kita siya. Eh, wala. Oh, may mga bantay eh. Hinahanapan ko ng pangalan na ganito. Eh, 6 lang kami pinagbigyan na bawat grupo. Siya, 2 kami. Eh, sabi ko sa'yo, humarap ka ng ano mo. Pwesto, ayun o, yung gilid doon. Nakikita-kita mo siya. Hindi naman kita masundo at kasi ano kami dito na. Punta ka sa gilid. Saan kaya dadaan? Palagay ko, kad yan dadaan siya. Oo. Yung ibang bisita dito. Parang ganun na. Lalabas na siya. Ha? Lalabas na siya. After ng meet and greet dito, sa mga winners. Tapos maiiwan din yung wax figure niya. Yata, dahil may... Ano? Ano yun? OFC. Ano? Hindi ko naintindihan. Mal, and tangi. Ah, yung ano nyo? Ay, dapat mag-a-active kayo. Ako-coordinate kayo. Kanino? Hindi ba kasama si Melinda? Handyan sila eh.
Sila Melinda?
Ah, Melinda Tan?
Oo.
Oo.
Nasaan?
Wala.
Ah, wala.
Walang
May
sumama.
patay kasi siya.
Galing ka ba Pampanga? Hindi. Saan? Quezon City. Ako, teka noon. Ang sandali.
Tapos sa pababa na yun. Kaya pala kami nakabal.
Tayo, bete, mapwera. Tita Ana, sabay-sabay tayo.
Grupo tayo nito.
Bet, sigurado ka ba kasali tayo?
Oo, sabi.
Something that will give them a piece of Manila or Philippines sa Hong Kong.
Hawak ni Bet. Sa Asia Superstar.
Meron po silang hawak.
Sino? Sino may hawak?
Si Ate...
Hindi, iba yung grupo natin.
meron mo si Ate Beth po yung taga-sikaso ng hawak.
Ano dala mo?
Hindi ka-reserva.
Oh, iisa po eh, kay Biba. Kasi kailangan may isang pin katulong, may kuhain kay Biba.
Hindi pa nga kasi makalula kayo.
Ha?
Meron po doon sa harapan.
O sige.
Gawa lang na yung may hawak.
Oo, Asia Superstar, saka isang Queen Catherine. Meron ba doon Queen Catherine?
Meron po.
Sigurado ka?
Yun.
Kasi hayo ng bag, kaya sabi ko, ba't doon yung
Meron na
dapat
naka-ready na po.
Nasaan na si Catherine? Teka. Ayun. Balik natin sa stage. Ah? Oo.
May third row. Ano? Ikaw, di ka na.
Hindi ka na tayo. Uy, paano yun? Sino kukuha sa atin? Selfie mo. Kunan mo nga kami. Kunan mo kami. Lumapit. Halika, sumama ka sa amin. Halika dito. Jesus Mariosep. Halika na, bilisan mo. Halika na.
Familiar with the first one feeling na at this time of the start they want to and mababalik ka with eyebrows and hair. It's different from the aesthetics that I've experienced. I feel very about to experience and I'm just really grateful.
Subay dyan.
Super lineup natin.
Tita Ana tayo.
Matutuwa sila at something that will give them a piece of Manila or Philippines sa Hong Kong. Maybe I remind you too of hard work and perseverance. I remind you of just believing in yourself. Today is such a special day for me. Thank you to all of my supporters. This is me finally sharing.
Teka.
good news
Ito, balik
to all
natin.
of you.
Nandiyan,
You know, this wax figure isn't just mine, it's ours. So I'm so proud to represent us in Madame Tussauds Hong Kong. This is truly a dream come true for me to be immortalized in wax in a city that's so close to my heart. See you very, very soon at Madame Tussauds.
Ay, dito ka sa baba. Kunan mo kami. Dadali pa ba ito dito? Ha? Dadali pa ba ito?
Extremely grateful and my heart is full
Oy, di sige, wag na. Ay, ibaba niyo na muna yung ano.
Thank you so much for
Ibaba niyo naman daw dyan sa silya. Sa gilid, baka matapakan. Bawal kita. Hindi bawal. Ibaba niyo na lang. Sige. Wag na. Ako nang pipicture sa inyo. Eh, kaso gusto ko may video dun eh. Wait. Nawawala ating video. Tayo wala. Uy, chikahin mo. Ay, naano po. Post, yan mo. Post. Yan mo na. Wala pa. Picture eh. Picture ko, alisin mo. Ayan o.
Ano pinipindot nyo kita?
Paano? Hindi ka ako sa ay. O, chikahin mo. Sabihin mo first time mo. Hindi naman na supot mo. Bili. Videohan mo ako.
Sabay-sabay yan, dalan po.
Ay, nako, ang senior. Tita, tumabi ka. Wow. First time. Okay.
Hi,
Sige.
Tita Love!
Ang ganda mo, ang ganda ko.
Ang daming ganap this week, di ba?
Oo, ang dami. Present kami lahat.
Sa Pampanga ka po.
Oo.
Uy, malaya.
Sige, halika dito. Halika dito. Diba? O, dito ako sa tabi mo. Kat, ito.
Si Bella.
Wow! Wow, ang ganda mo. Dito ka na. Dito ka. Dito na. Picture mo kami ni Kat.
Thank you. Salamat po. Thank you. Baba na po tayo. Salamat po.
Yes, sa mapapanood nga ito first episode. Saturday.
Thank you, Talong.
Thank you. Ay, teka, yung wax. Picture mo ako sa wax. Hello, Catherine. Hello, Catherine. Wow, ang ganda mo.
Kat, picture naman.
Kat, ito lang.
Opo.
Ano ko yan?
Ano sa lang?
Kat, isa lang yung aking BFF. Wait. Kat, ang ating BFF.
Ito lang.
Thank you.
Talong.
Ha? Ay, sus, nag-picture na ako kanina. Magagalit na mga kasos natin. Bye na. Thank you po.
Kami sa kabila po.
Sinama pa ako. Teka, yung bag natin. Kunin na natin. Oy, yung bag natin. Balikan mo yung bag. Boss, balikan mo yung bag.
I was in Korea.
Boss, yung bag natin. Si Boss naman, tinawag pa ako eh. Na-picture na kanina eh. Nakakahiya.
Nakapicture ka ba?
Nanonood. Oo, di ba nauna kami?
Hindi ko alam, may malot ko ba? Alam ko naman.
Di ba group kami naman Tita Ana? Oh, hindi ba dito upuan natin ah?
Ayan o.
Asa sila Tita Ana? Asa sila Tita Ana? Ba't lumabas? Wow, sandali. Ha? Naka-green. 3 million. Oo, kaso po ito nakalusot. Saan magpapapicture? Sayang, sana sinabay natin. Ay, hindi ko alam na nakapasok siya. Ako, hindi ko na na-videohan si Catherine. Hindi ko na na-videohan. Ala, nagpaano kami. Pasensya na, ha? Ayan, pinagkaguluhan siya. Bawal na kami lumapit doon.
Mamaya magandang
Na-meet and greet na niya yung mga Pas, hawakan mo nga, i-video mo't nang makita ng mga viewers ko.
malayo.
Sendan mo. Akin, send mo. Pag video, ako mag-post. Ando pa si Catherine. Sino yung mga friends?
Hindi ko alam, baka makamot pa.
Kita ka natin sa kanya.
Sarado na. Yung green.
Nasaan ang red yung naka-green? Wala na. Ayun, pasok? Ayun yung naka-green. Naka-picture ba? Iba yung sinasabi ko sa'yo. Di stop siya. Sino yun? Takot pa mahalan? Kasama natin dati? Ito ka nasa kabilang. Nalalakad mo na
something that will give them this piece of Manila
Yan. Ano talong yan mo na?
Ha?
Paalam ka na sa viewers mo.
Hello, babay po sa inyong lahat. Nagpaalam na rin si Catherine.
Yan na. Ang kasunod ng talong.
Teka, sandali. Ayun, nagpapaalam na si Catherine, oh. Andyan siya. O, paano? Bababay na kami sa inyo. Pasensya na, ha? Uy, yung aking Ang gulo-gulo ng video. Nagagalit na ating viewers.
and
Oh, yan oh, bababay na si Catherine. Ang ganda ng wax niya, kamukhang kamukha. Oh. Halika, halika, video mo kami kay Mami. Babay na. Halika, halika. Ah, si Maki, oo. Kilala ko yun. Halika, halika. Ka-video tayo kay Mami. O sige, babay na. Nagpaalam na si Catherine. Bye-bye. Ando na. Thank